Hey everybody, I've been very remiss on doing my videos. It is April 2nd, 2020. Last Sunday, I got 2 packages of bees and 2 queens, and I've done some splitting. So I went from 3 hives to 6 real quick. Um, right there's 2 of them. I'm gonna hope they've been in here for 4 days. I'm gonna try to pop them open here and let's see if the queens have emerged from their cages. I'll try to do this one-handed. Right here, that little strap is where the queen is, and on the top was the candy, and we can see that it's already open. So let's see if we can pull them up. This is the first time I've been inside with these bees. Not sure how they're going to act. Give them a little smoke, get things going. Let's pull this on up here. Yeah, no gloves. Last great idea, huh? That's kind of tight because of the queen cages here. I think this is good news if this is gone. Come on. They glued everything together well. Yeah, so you can see she's gone. So she's out here somewhere, which I'm not really worried about where she is. I just wanted to make sure that she's been released and is out doing bee stuff. So cool.